In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a task to a team member in QuickBooks Accountant. We'll walk through the current desktop-style interface so you can confidently create and assign work to your team without missing a beat. To start, sign in to your QuickBooks Accountant account. Having the right company and firm view selected will help you see the tools we're using today. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar. Under the section labeled Your Books, click on Tasks. This is your workspace for tracking who's doing what and when it's due. You'll see a list of existing tasks along with options to add new ones. If you're creating something from scratch, click the button labeled New Task. If you already have a task you want to delegate, simply select it from the list to open and update it. Either way, you'll be taken to a detail screen where you can fine-tune the information. Start by entering a clear task name. Keep it short but descriptive, like reconcile March bank statements or prepare quarterly sales tax report. In the description field, add any helpful context, such as specific accounts to review or documents to reference. The more precise you are here, the less back and forth you'll need later. Next, under Assign To, open the drop-down and choose the team member who should own this work. Make sure the person you pick is part of your team in QuickBooks so they appear on the list. Assigning it here ensures the right person sees it in their queue. Set a due date to keep the task on track. Pick a date that reflects any client deadlines or internal review cycles. If timing matters, consider setting it a few days before the external due date to give yourself a buffer. You can also set a priority. Use this to indicate urgency or importance, especially if your team manages multiple tasks at once. Then choose the status. By default, it's set to open, which is perfect for a new or active task. You can adjust it later as work progresses. When everything looks good, click Save. This assigns the task to the selected team member and records all the details you just entered. If you edited an existing task, your updates will be saved and the assignment will be reflected immediately. That's it. You've assigned a task in QuickBooks Accountant, keeping your workflow organized and your team aligned. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.